This is a 2011 Toyota Tacoma, second generation. Super stoked to have been able to do an overland style build on this. An overland build is a build that's designed to go off-road into the wilderness. We wanted to take it as far as we could go and turn it into more of a survival type vehicle. We ended up doing a 6-inch lift with rough country to be able to run the 35-inch tires from Tri-Ace on the 17x9s. Those are the 50R Cobras from RBP. So the rings are actually designed to hold the bead of the tire. That way when you're crawling over rocks and you have very little pressure in your tires, you're not going to have to run the risk of popping your bead and offsetting your tire from the rim itself. So the purpose of the bead lock rims is to set it so that it can't be broken. That way you don't have to worry about the tire falling off. They're the only DOT approved true bead locks, so that was a nice thing as well. I'm not going to always be driving this vehicle on the road, so it's nice to know that I'm DOT approved whenever I am. So we're running the ARCs through side steps, full complement of lighting from them. We're running the cube lights, the 11.5-inch bar lights, and then we also have the rock lights all the way around. I think there's 20 total, as well as the LED truck bed lights surrounding the inside of the bed. Quality is super important. We needed something that was going to be rugged and durable and be able to withstand. The last thing we need to be doing while we're out in the field is fixing anything because it's breaking. The RBPs, got good quality. They've got good styling. So thrilled to have RBP there to help us out with the build. Yeah, we look forward to you following us on our channels at Detailing by Chris and at Snow White and Fox. You can also use hashtag DBC_Taco. So see us look forward to seeing us at shows, as well as some exhibition videos of us using the vehicle on the field.